Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so munuaba adwoa searching me ena mede dwumede we ebrel mesra so be subscribe to my channel now don't sa emia bell ne so ubenya notification ense me ekoso wo me bibia ubenya biatie anase ubenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha Speaker of Parliament ena okase Right Honorable Alban Bagbin na honorable ne sema okay na ne say oye MPO oye minister oye assemblyman oye president oye hwanyo, you are not above the law. Everyone, everybody, including obia ombro emraso ewo omanga nemu obia eshemrase obia niwa emrasha nase ono ena oshe emrase na adenti a honorable eka say na ne so chese oye member of parliament na se onam kwanso eko parliament house na se paper every court ebe serve ewo kwanso a oni right se obeko unless say wa kowie o service anase wa kowie dwumadi a ukwakodi ewo parliament house ansa na wetimi attend to letter na omode ebre ono na won se onam kwanso na se okwakoye unkọ parliament house na wo fie anase wo kọ baabi akwakoye wankasa wo personal bibi na se emra anase paper every court ebe serve you say ese wo kọ court ekoye witness anase obi di wa kọ court ese wo koyi one how dare you say unko you don't have any right so obeka say unko because you think so you politician anase wo member of parliament anase whatever omode letter na bra unko a onna mo kwanso wo parliament house anase wo parliament house a wo ye adwuma na de bisa ne de ese wo tumi attend to letter no mo de abra no because obi enu a ohye emrase na ensem we a right honorable Alban Bagbin speaker of parliament and odi tudwa and a newspaper e cover ne anape na yenti ensem a e course
so the worker at the Chronicle actual ede abetu dwana na shebe dwamu chiame speaker of parliament and ekase honorable right honorable Alban Smana Kingsford Bagbin and what they to just say wo ya wo mra shebe dwani ya I wo immunity bi chese mra bi bo ho ban so wo ya mra shebe dwani de wonam kwanso a wo kọ mra shebe dwama kọ ya dwuma wo bintimi emfa court tutumi emecho anansa mankata be se bra protection na se bra court e so wo kodi dwuma ama oman no na so ka wo se eda wo de kwa parliament anase wapon parliament adwuma no de a wo wo court asema ya akọ so bi amromra no so etu aso no onyi twinya do wo no speaker no ankasa wo ka ho clerk wo e ka ho mrase odwani bi aka ho ti wo ya ka hu ni se wo hyemrase wo ye mrase odwani se wo di mra so se wo bu mra no so a ye mfa bi ankata ho nwira ho so wo de wo ye mpiti fa ho di da bi ye pon parliament a wo be court akodina da kemu sa danse mpo na wo kodi a wo be ko etu obi anhwe no ye na obi anso nyintu se mrase odwani no pon a na wo aban mane bi wo nsama bi ana wo danse bi di wo court a wo ya soko na kwa nkasa na me MP na ntimi fa me kokot de bi ene de enye no kwesa we speaker of parliament na de atudwa honorable Alban Bagbin
ene mi guso de bokrata daily graphic na wode nipa miensa bi mfo ni about me say yes wo mu fi nrobehi anaze boshem ene wo mo nrobehi ana boshem ene wo mo ba ye me kan nrobehi mama kai mi amisi kapa na ara wo se me say enura na je ma me so edan benkum so haji akwado wo koy wo twa nenti eja akoka ne bishia ti aja ma yako ukonso e chana na aja te ye hechira man kama ba hwe no amfre be ye mesko ofred ye be mesko ndie
the family you belong to what me acho mu anado president obi na anfa so udi na tem ya kana kwa mo pa no kure ya kana kwa Ghana phone tie ha me say Ghana phone me say check the phone video all because check the phone di na ado atem check the phone anu ya ha Ghana phone mo to kwan some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called no friend will say judiciary some law no nyet mo Ghana na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire emra enti wudi di an fanto fom Emra. Eti wonyu so gugu tem. Edan ho kra wutimi ndo so. Wutimi nyo kwate round so. Mama dia dia mo say, "Hey, atem di dia na de physical." We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country, no be able. What's a minute in a talk? And Ghana, no, I say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you can some. Yes, you have been in senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, I'm at the form. Because you are near Canada. You want primary school, SLC, and ultimately medical school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, JJ Rollins, your president. Because you are near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it's near primary. Now, one hour yesterday. Ghana for community to Obama Obia ya to Obama. It we honorable. It also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. JJ Rollins is my hero. Due to what? JJ no you kwanya. Wo you kwan papa. On hwe ma hu nkwase kwan. Eno kwa de na mani che ho. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industries which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If you was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Did your father? Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, Papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Echo from, and Yakaya fro, and Nuna Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yakan and Efro, Edico school. Nako 4 by ever 2 Papa, and what the buses, metro buses, Eban Efroye, and a Ghana for the Bordia Gugu metro mass, and yes, no. And to Ghana to Memphis, Ghana for no season, ye problem. Kofoba Fessiano, Zinato Papa, Edia, dear Satam Nuana, or Kofoba, and no Marco 4 year, or Papa went to me and Yebi. O doesn't count Johnny and this cry. As I would Johnny be before near the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know Mokasa, we are forcing your own. Okay, say you to know where face the country no. We are forcing me. And come back to Ghana for say. Will be a baby blabu be a banning show. Come the Yansa Bacasa. Come back to Ghana for say. More much is than phone. Much is called then our crown. More much at the kiosk. Kiosk was the crown.